creating a unique and attractive flavor for meat foods. By using this machine, it becomes easier to mix and combine spices, ensuring each piece of meat is evenly and perfectly seasoned. With its flexibility and high performance, meat seasoning mixers not only help create meat products with unique flavors, but also improve the productivity and efficiency of the food production process. This makes spice mixers an indispensable part of the modern food industry. The powerful feeling and presence of the sharp blade is undeniable as it crushes frozen meat. With precision and power, this blade turns substantial chunks of meat into small, uniform granules ready for further processing. Every time the knife cuts through, it's a new step forward in the meat processing process, from creating uniformity in texture to bringing out the meat's maximum flavor. Chicken meat processing machine is one of the important equipment in the food industry, playing an important role in preparing and processing chicken according to industrial processes. Looking at the chicken processing machine, you can feel its power and efficiency from separating meat, slicing it, crushing it, and processing it into final products such as minced meat, meat pieces, or ready-to-be products. Chicken processing machines help increase production efficiency while ensuring product uniformity and quality. The use of automatic horizontal candy drawing machine with PLC system brings many significant benefits to the candy production process. PLC systems allow for precise and flexible automation and control of production processes, helping to increase performance and product quality. The automatic horizontal candy pulling machine is designed to automatically stretch and cut candies into desired sizes and shapes. The flexibility of the PLC system allows adjusting many different parameters such as pulling speed, thickness, and length of the candy, thereby creating quality and uniform products. Have you ever wondered how candies are shaped? This will be the answer tree for you. The process of creating candy begins with the preparation of a mixture of candy ingredients, followed by the process of molding the candy into molds or molds. The molds can be made from materials such as silicone, plastic, or metal, depending on the type of candy in desired shape. Once the candy mixture is poured into the mold, it is placed in a cold or cool environment to freeze the candy and keep its shape. This process often requires a high degree of professionalism and technique to ensure that the details of the candy are beautiful and attractive and can take a lot of effort and time to perfect a uniquely shaped candy product. Say goodbye to solar panel dirt with a squeaky clean solution. There are so many ice creams here that just looking at them makes you feel frozen. The roadside is extremely clean and tidy. Sushi is accurately classified into each tray. Pine trees are bundled with all branches before being dug up. Sushi making also involves the use of machines. Land improvement is regularly carried out to increase the soil's ability to retain water and nutrients. Water is distributed evenly across the field. Over time, the flatbread making process has evolved, incorporating new technologies. These donuts were firmly planted into the melting chocolate, achieving the perfect coating.
This sorting machine helps eliminate substandard citrus fruits, ensuring that only fresh and quality fruits are selected for the production process. Citrus pressing and packaging lines help preserve products better and create attractive and professional product packages. By using automatic weighing and packaging technology, this machine helps reduce errors and increase accuracy in the packaging process, ensuring that each package of the right weight and quantity. Expectation. Imagine when you bite into a cherry. Its sweet and cool taste spreads throughout the palate, creating an enjoyable and pleasurable experience. Cherry is not just a fruit, but also an emotion, a wonderful experience that you cannot ignore. In the food industry, blueberry packing and sorting machine lines have become one of the most important innovations, helping to optimize production processes and improve product quality. With a combination of advanced technology and automation, this line not only saves time and manpower, but also ensures packaging and grading of blueberries takes place accurately and efficiently.